I always like to start off by asking a few questions. Do you have fires within your jurisdiction? What about fire prevention programs? Smoke detectors inside your residence and businesses? Are your programs effective? Are you seeing patterns with your fire problem? If you take fire data and put it in Excel, you can quickly and easily see patterns and where your problems are located within your jurisdiction. If you look at the map right now, I'm showing heat sources by all the fires that happen within my jurisdiction. If I want to highlight any like arcing, I can see where my heat sources were in fires within my city when it came to arcing. What about heat sparked from friction? Lightning? As quick as I can think of questions, I can pull data over and start filtering and easily seeing patterns. What if I want to start filtering on heat sources by, let's say, fire cause? I'll pull fire cause into my filters and let's look at cooking. Now I'm just seeing where my cooking fires by heat sources are. As quick as I can click and think of questions of my data, I can get those answers. What about those smoke detectors? Let's look at some detector information. Let's look at detector effectiveness. Now I'll pull that down. And now you can see we're looking at our detective effectiveness. We have a lot there are blank, but sometimes that's acceptable in NFIRS data. You got to know the codes and rules to understand why you're seeing what you're seeing. But we can filter that out. Let's go ahead and get rid of all those blanks, narrow our data, and clean it up. So why did some of these not actually alert the occupants? So we can grab that data element, pull it down, detector alerted, unknown. What about failed? A lot of blanks. I do have a lot of filters on. Batteries missing. So as quick as I can think about data, ask questions, I can pull and quickly visually see what's going on. What about heat maps? Excel can do heat maps. This map, we're looking at fires, which are shown as heat. So layer 1, as time goes through, we're going to look at a time progression of some fires. And we're going to look at fire prevention programs, handing out pamphlets in the areas where our fire problem is, and smoke detector installations. So as we start looking at our data and playing a time sequence, you can start seeing fires happening all over the city. And then we start actually putting out smoke detectors, pamphlets, and we stop the fires. In the areas that we didn't have any programs, we see fires start to build. You can quickly and easily see fire problems, program effectiveness using Excel. And the beauty of this, most of this data is not even in Excel. We're taking a spreadsheet and actually tying it into a database. And as we add incidents, our spreadsheets and our maps change instantly.